What's going on, everybody? Wilson here from a Cali Collective project where we specialize in informative, engaging, and entertaining videos. Now, this video is a video about Adobe Premiere's update. Now, as a business owner, you're asking, like, who the hell is Adobe Premiere? What do I care about an update? Well, Adobe Premiere is a platform that videographers and editors use to create videos. Now, there's plenty of platforms out there, but I specifically use this, and there was an update that now allows the editor to create captions from the audio files that you're editing. So again, instead of hiring an outside company or hiring an outside person to transcribe and then send to an editor so the editor can then transcribe and put it as text, we now have the ability under the new Adobe Premiere update to actually create captions in SRT file fairly easy and more efficiently. That benefits the business owner, or that benefits the person that is actually hiring the videographer, because of two things. One, you can ask the question, what platform are you using? And if you know if they're using something like Adobe Premiere, they're on the ball, and they know what they're doing, right? For the most part. Now, the second thing would be the efficiency and the product that is being delivered. So instead of just getting one video, it's fairly easier now to get two videos, one with the captions being burnt in, so you have those captions playing in the video, and two, one without. So that way, if you want to use it on your, on your company banner page or something along those lines that you don't necessarily need the text to capture that attention, you don't need it, you won't have it. So again, if that's something of interest or you want to learn more about videography or the services that we provide, click on the link below, and we'd love to talk to you again. My name is Wilson. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.